If you've ever tried using one of those cheap air compressors from a big box store, you know how frustrating they can be. They're usually underpowered, noisy, and seem to break down after just a few uses. But today, I want to show you a much better option, the HPDAVV 30 gallons gas-powered air compressor. This thing is a beast, and it's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable air compressor for their workshop, machinery, or construction site. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. One of the things that sets this air compressor apart is its power. With 13 horsepower and 35 cubic feet per minute of airflow, it's more than capable of handling demanding tasks like powering impact wrenches or sanders. And with a maximum pressure of 125 psi, you can be sure that it's got the oomph you need to get the job done. Plus, the ASME tank is built to last, so you don't have to worry about it rupturing or leaking over time. I've been using this compressor for a while now, and I can attest to its convenience. It's easy to start, easy to use, and it's been a real workhorse for me. I've used this air compressor for all sorts of projects, from inflating tires to powering pneumatic tools, and it's performed flawlessly every time. It's also been great for doing longer-term projects, where I need to use it for hours at a time. The electric start makes it easy to get going, and the gas-powered engine provides plenty of power without worrying about tripping a circuit breaker. And because it's so versatile, I can use it for everything from framing a house to detailing a car. The fact that it's built for long-term use is also a major plus. I don't have to worry about it breaking down on me in the middle of a project, which is a huge time saver. So, what are the pros and cons of this air compressor? Well, on the plus side, it's incredibly powerful and reliable, and it's built to last. It's also very convenient to use, with an electric start and a well-designed control panel. One potential downside is that it's a bit on the heavier side, so it can be a challenge to move it around, but for me, that's a small trade-off for the power and reliability it provides. Another potential con is that it can be a bit loud, but that's to be expected from a gas-powered compressor. Overall, I'm really impressed with this air compressor, and I think it's a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful air compressor for their workshop or job site. It's been a valuable addition to my toolkit, and I'm sure it will be for you too. If you're interested in checking it out, the link is in the description below. Be sure to click it and check the latest price on Amazon.